Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Mitochondrial DNA follows the same base pairing rules as nuclear DNA, so let's quickly find the expected percentages for this chi-square analysis. Let's go! Chargaff's rules state that in double-stranded DNA, the amount of adenine must always equal thymine, while guanine must always equal cytosine. This fundamental pairing is the key to our entire calculation. To perform a valid chi-square analysis, we need expected data where these pairs match perfectly. We are looking for a set where A equals T and G equals C specifically. Option A is the only choice where adenine and thymine are both 30%, while guanine and cytosine are both 20%. That is our winner! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.